IP JAGRUTI presents IPR at a Glance. Episode 5, Journey of Filing Design Registration. But before we start our today's video, please share your valuable feedbacks in our comment section regarding our IPR videos. Also, for more information, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more updates about IPR. And for more amazing IPR facts, you can also visit our Instagram and Facebook page of IP JAGRUTI. So in today's episode, we will talk about the design registration, its importance, procedure of filing design registrations, and lastly about the benefits of design registration. The term design is the overall appearance of a product. Design results from one or more visual features including shape, configuration, pattern, and ornamentation. When the visual features are applied to a product, they give it a unique appearance. Design is one of the categories of IPR where the design system focuses on aesthetic feature of an article derived from its visual appearance. Now, why is design registration important? A design registration is used to obtain protection for the feature of shape, configuration, pattern, or ornaments. After design registration, the owner of the design will have the exclusive right to apply the design to a product for which it is registered. As per the Designs Act 2000, a design means only the features of shape, configuration, pattern, or ornament or composition of lines or color or combination thereof applied to any article, whether two-dimensional or three-dimensional. A design registered in India under the Designs Act 2000 is referred to as registered design. The objectives of Design Act 2000 are: number 1, to make efficient and user-friendly legal system for protection of design in India. Number 2, to promote creativity and protection. And third, for the compliance of TRIPS agreements. Now the next step is to understand design aspects that can be registered under the Design Act. It must satisfy the following 6 conditions. Number 1, the design should be new or original, not previously published or used in any country before the date of application for registration. Number 2, the design should relate to features of shape, configuration, pattern, or ornamentation applied or applicable to an article. Thus, designs of industrial plans, layouts, and installations are not registrable under the Act. Number 3, the design should be applied or applicable to any article by any industrial process. Normally, designs of artistic nature like painting, sculptures, and the like, which are not produced in bulk by any industrial process, are excluded from the registration under the Act. Number 4, the features of the design in the finished article should appeal to and are judged solely by the eye. This implies that the design must appear and should be visible on the finished article for which it is meant. Thus, any design in the inside arrangement of a box, money purse, or almirah may not be considered for showing such articles in the open state, as those articles are generally put in the market in the closed state. Number 5, any mode or principle of construction or anything which is in substance a mere mechanical device would not be registrable design. Number 6, the design should not include any trademark or copyright. Now quickly, let us go through the following items that cannot be registered as a design. Last but not the least, let us take a look at the overview of design registration. Number 1, must be new and original. Number 2, design should relate to the features of shape, pattern, configuration, or ornament applied to an article. Number 3, design applied to an article by an industrial process. Number 4, design must be visible. Let us now take a quick look at the flowchart of the design registration procedure. Filing. An application for design registration can be filed by any person being the proprietor of a design. The application for design registration needs to be filed with the Controller of Design, the Patent Office of Kolkata. For filing of application for registration, the following documents are needed. A duly signed Form 1 with prescribed fees. It contains the details related, name of article and class and subclass of the article. Representation sheets with illustration, with statement of novelty and disclaimer. Power of attorney, Form 24 if it is a small entity. Examining. After submission of the application, the Patent Office examines the application and defects in the application are communicated to the applicant. The raised objections has to be corrected and application has to be resubmitted to the Design Office for acceptance. All the responses must be filed within 6 months from date of filing of the application in India. Controller response. Once the submission is made by the applicant, Controller either accepts the application when all the official requirement and objections are met by reply, or in hearing, or in case the defects as required by the Controller are not rectified, the application is refused. Publication. Once an application is accepted, it is published in the Patent Office Journal ordinarily within 1 month. In the stage of publication, the design is open to public for inspection. Granted. An application proceeds to registration upon its acceptance and registration certificate is issued. The term of registration is 15 years. The registration is valid for an initial of 10 years from the date of registration, followed by another 5 years on renewal. Well, that was all from our end on the journey of filing a design registration. So quickly protect your designs and its different aspects through filing a design registration if you haven't done it yet. And stay tuned with us to get more information in our upcoming episodes of IPR at a glance, only on IP JAGRUTI. Innovation is our tradition.